Bulsor Philippines, Ismael Fajardo.
Liga Argentina, Mías, el Pitbull, Reyes.
Hit by left hand, trading here, which could be a problem. Good body movement from him. He shifts another left hand, big left hand again. There he touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second.
Mga laban, A3 Boxing TV.
Ngayon isang malaking laban ang mapapanood ng mga Pinoy boxing fans. Dahil ang halinaw na nagmula sa matapang na angkan ng Mindanao, si Miel Fajardo, ay sasabak sa pinakamahalagang laban ng kanyang karera. Kilalang silent assassin, tahimik, disiplinado. Pero sa bawat suntok, may dalang panganib. May record na 13 panalo, 11 rito ay knockout. At pinatunayan na niya ang kanyang lakas ng talunin niya si Esnet Domingo para masungkit ang IBF Pan Pacific title. Pero para kay Fajardo, hindi pa ito ang rurok. Ngayong April 11, 2026, hahakbang siya sa isang laban na pwedeng magbago ng lahat. Isang IBF title eliminator. Isang panalo na lang, world title shot na ang kasunod. Sa kabilang sulok, isang delikadong knockout artist mula Argentina, si Tobias Jeremias Reyes. 18 panalo, isang talo, 16 na knockout. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang siya umaatake. Nagtatapos siya ng laban, agresibo, dire-diretso, at walang inuurungan, isang tunay na banta sa loob ng ring. Pero bago ang laban na ito, balikan natin ang gabi na unang nagpakilala kung gaano kadelikado si Fajardo. Sa banyagang lupa, hinarap niya ang undefeated prospect ng Argentina, si Agustin Mauro Gauto. Isang pangalan na inalagaan ng top rank at hinubog ng dating world champion na si Marcos Maidana. Sa papel, dehado ang Pilipino. Pero sa loob ng ring, ibang kwento ang isinulat niya. Sigawan ng mga fans ni Gauto sa pagsisimula ng laban, walang naniniwalan sa ating Pinoy.
Jab to the head. Took it, did as well with the second attack.
He might feel he's hurting with one of those body shots because he's really getting on him here, Fajardo. Something registered there, definitely into final.
Shot with the little bit of hand there, left uppercut, left hook.
Knock of the head there from Gauto. They both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here. It's a Pino fighter. This is already turning into a good fight. Right hand, one of those body shots.
Yes, particularly the second one for me.
Just got into a shot, isn't it?
Good shot.
Oh, beautiful left hand there from Fajardo.
Unang round pa lang, isang malinis na kaliwa ang tumama. Bumagsak ang kalaban. Tumayo man, ramdam na agad ang epekto.
Put him down hard onto his back there, Gauto. Will it be enough as we look at the replay?
Hindi nag-aksaya ng oras si Fajardo. Sumunod ang mga suntok. Mabilis, mabigat, eksakto. Muli niyang pinabagsak ang kalaban.
He wrote on the put. Oh,
Pagdating ng ikalawang round, sinubukang bumawi ni Gauto. Pero kalmado si Fajardo. Hinintay ang tamang tiyempo.
Right, down to his knees, a club. Fajardo just got to get on top of it. Just body movement from him. He shifts another left hand. There he touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second.
At pinakawala ng sunod-sunod na kaliwa. Walang tigil, walang sayang. Hanggang sa muli itong bumagsak.
Left hand puts him onto his back and He's just so fragile in there at the minute. That's the problem. He's letting his own hands go. He's shown a ton of bravery and heart in there, but every time he gets hit clean, he's going to go down, and he's going to get hit clean because he's wide open at times.
What's the referee doing?
The referee's giving him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed, and then he was put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook. Every single time he can throw it, he is throwing it. Dipping low at the waist there, touches down with the glove again, and the referee doesn't see it. That's another knockdown.
There's been about 4 months. It's tremendous action, it really is.
It is, it's superb. 1 minute 40. Remaining in round 2.
Oh, it's shots.
Another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. He's throwing back himself. It goes
Dito na siya binanatan ni Fajardo, muling bumagsag ang bata ni Babarom, ngunit nagpakita pa ito ng tapang.
out when the referee does count him this time. The corner are looking over at the Argentinian corner. I don't really know how much more. This is a critical stage.
Dito na tinapos ni Fajardo ang kanilang future world champion. At doon na pinatigil ang laban. Technical knockout. Sa gabing iyon, natahimik ang arena. At isang malinaw na mensahe ang iniwan ni Fajardo. Siya ay seryosong banta sa mga champion sa division. At si Lolo Bob Arum ay lumayas na walang paalam. Ang tanong, pwede na ba si Miel Fajardo na maging susunod na world champion? I-comment nyo ang sagot nyo, mga idol, at ilagay kung saan kayo nanonood. Para malaman natin kung saan umabot ang suporta ng mga Pinoy sa laban ni Fajardo kontra Reyes sa Argentina ngayong April 11, 2026.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.